Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to download the Pyrite free from Google Play Store so that you can easily do the all typing work or programming work related with Python. So after opening this app Play Store, you have to move Pyrite free. You will have this screen and just now press install button. Wait for a short while. It's being started downloads. This is the 52 MB file. Please make sure that you have got the space in your Android. It will take approximately 1 to 2 minutes to complete downloading. After downloading, you have to see that how we are going to create our first Hello World program in Python. So it will be very easy for all of you who wants to learn the Pyrite tree in the system. So you are watching that our Pyrite tree with the IDE environment, in that is the integrated development environment being installing. Okay, now it's ready to open the file. Here we go, and let's start practicing that how to write a hello world program by using print command statement. So there will be some pages will appear when you start downloading. So there is a welcome page to Pyrite free. So we appreciate your choice to use the IDE environment. So let's get started. Definitely if you are new, so you will have to type here that I am absolutely new to this. Click it and continue. Learning, I am planning to learn Python and continue. Alright, you will have to just select only one preserve files on exit. Okay, so it will auto save your files and nothing. If you want to put the dark theme, so you will have to just check it and otherwise not, because I don't like, and this will use to tab spaces. If you want to use make the tab spaces insert spaces, it's matter to performance, but if you don't have any, recommended to leave tab, right? So press continue. Now the simple terminal or the web programmers, what types of the programmers are you planning to run? For example, I'm planning to run simple terminal or the web program, so just click it and continue. Alright, if you don't want to go the premium option, so just cross it. Now it's the IDE environment is ready. Now here I'm going to start a simple program of Hello World. See, by using this print command statement, just type here with a comma, Hello World. Now for the run, you have to press this yellow button. See, there's a result. Now what to do, if you want to print more lines, just go back, enter, and then print. For example, now I wanna type I love Pakistan, or whatever you want to write, you can write it, then type it. Alright, now press again the yellow button. See, there is a result. After the execution of this program, now you will have to move the save button. Here you will have a save option in this folder. For example, if you want to press save, so just go to allow internal storage. Any folder you want to select here. For example, if you want to create a new folder, so press new folder by name, Python. It's a folder name, and create. So your folder has been created. Now select the folder. There is a new file has been created, new file 1. I am keeping the name new file 1, and .py is the extension of Python programming. So just save it. Now your program has been saved with the name of new file 1 .py. Again I am explaining that .py is the extension of Python programming. So I hope that you got a good understanding that how to write, how to print the Hello World program by using print command in the Python programming. And if you want to use in Android, so will use here Pyrite 3. You are supposed to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.